Meetup Travel App Review. Usage Experience. Links to the Meetup app and more details are in the description below. Meetup is a social networking app designed to connect people with shared interests, making it an excellent tool for travelers looking to meet locals, explore new places, and participate in group activities. Unlike traditional travel apps focused on flights or accommodations, Meetup helps users find and join events, hobby groups, and professional networking opportunities in cities worldwide. One of the app's main advantages is its wide range of events. Whether you're interested in hiking, business networking, language exchange, or tech meetups, there's something for everyone. Events can be free or paid, and the app allows users to RSVP, check event details, and interact with organizers. This makes it especially useful for solo travelers looking to socialize, digital nomads building local connections, or anyone wanting a more immersive experience in a new destination. Another key feature is location-based discovery. The app automatically shows relevant events near your current location, making it easy to find activities wherever you are. You can filter events based on categories, date, and distance, ensuring that you only see options that match your preferences. Meetup also sends personalized recommendations based on your interests and past event participation. For those who prefer a more active role, creating your own meetup is an option. Whether you want to organize a casual coffee gathering or a professional workshop, the app provides tools to set up and manage events, track RSVPs, and communicate with attendees. This is particularly valuable for expats, entrepreneurs, and community organizers looking to establish networks in different cities. Meetup also integrates with Google Maps for seamless navigation and has a chat feature that allows users to ask event-related questions or connect with other attendees before meeting in person. Overall, Meetup is a powerful app for travelers who want more than just sightseeing. It's about experiencing a destination through local communities and real connections. If you're traveling and want to meet like-minded people or join unique activities, Meetup is a must-have. It's an excellent way to turn any trip into a meaningful and social experience.